Hello all, welcome back again. Today's class we will see how to generate Allure reports. Right, Allure reports. Previous classes we have seen TestNG default and report ng and extent reports. Right, how to generate using listeners. We have seen those things. If anyone did not watch, please go through those videos also. Right, in this class one more interesting reporting Allure reports. Right, how to integrate with our project, right, TestNG Java. Right, it looks like like this. Allure reports will have right overview, right, how many test cases executed, how many passed, right, it will show environment, category, executors, futures by stories, right, it will. Then the second tab is categories. If we have any category, it will show here. Then suits, once our execution is done, right, it will show. Right, here it is hide the results of failed, right, a broken status. Right, if we click on it, it will hide, it will show remaining. Right, on top colors are also there. Right, here also, and see, we can, if we want to, right, hide these things, we can hide by clicking it. If we have multiple 100 test cases, I want to see only particular test cases, right, we can hide remaining and we can show whatever we want. Here we can expand this. I have a login test. It has a two scenarios. Right, one is with empty username password, wrong username password. Right, it will show like this. We can expand here setup method. We have a right initializing driver and then invalid user login close driver. Then second one is right for each test case initialize the driver. Body means our execution, actual test execution. It will have a screenshots. Right, how to take screenshots also we will see. Until you down, close the driver. And then graphs, right, one more thing, we have a graphs and then timeline, behaviors, right, behaviors means like a cucumber. If we enable these tags, right, we will get behaviors, right, we have to enable these tags. What tags we will see, what annotations we need to keep, packages, right, tested, it will show packages wise also, right. There are multiple features it has. Allure reports, right. Then we will start. What is the first step we have to do? Right, first step we have to go to GitHub repository, download the zip file. I will share in the description. Just right, in case if you want, you can download directly. Click on that link and download. Download the Allure zip file. Right, after downloading, right, downloads, extract it. Right, extract it. It will come like this. Go up to bin. We have to set in the environment variable. Click on the Windows tab and search for environment. Right, open environment. Right, it will showing environment. Right, click on the environment variables and click on the path. Right, we can set either user variables or system variables. Right, it is better to set in system variables. Right, just click on a new. Right, just add that pin. Click on OK. Right, close all the windows. Close if any. Right, if you already opened right this cmd's command prompts, just close all the command prompts, otherwise it will not recognize. Right, first step is we have to download this Allure zip file and we have to keep the up to bin in the environment variable. First step. Right, next second step we have to create the one Maven project. Right, create a Maven project. Right, just we can keep a Selenium, right, Selenium dependency. Right, on the Selenium dependency TestNG. Then one more important is Allure TestNG. We need to add the Allure TestNG. This variable I am getting from properties section. Right, from the properties section. Here we can create. Right, suppose right, properties. Like if it is a repeating means this version is repeating means we can keep it here, or it's better to keep here so that you will, right, once we will open what are the versions we are using in this POM file, right, easily we can identify, okay, Selenium we are using TestNG, right, no need to scroll down and go every time, right. This is also a best practice, right. Allure TestNG, right. This one, how to get this dependency, I think you already know. We can go to Maven repository, right, we can open the Maven repository, right, search for Allure TestNG, right, we can get it here, right, click on the right 2.291, copy paste, that's it, right. That is one step, I think that's it. And then these are all common: compiler plugin, you know, surefire plugin. If you want to, we have to run this Allure using Maven, right, then only that Allure report will generate, right. That's why we have to add surefire plugin. The surefire plugin must we need to add, and which testng file we want to run, right. Under src test resources I have testng.xml, we can run, right. In the POM file, this is the setup we need to do. And the test, right, simple test I have created just before test, creating the driver, just launching. Now here important step is Allure dot step. I want to show some steps. What is the flow of test case? I want to show some, right, flow of execution. Okay, I have launched the application. I have entered username, password. Okay, successfully logged in. Right, I have done user addition, user deletion, then logout success. Right, I want to show flow of execution. Then what we will do? Allure dot step. Allure dot step. What is the description? Right, what is the step description? Right, it will show in the test case, right. Before test, just okay, launch the application, right. Then here Allure dot step in the test case, right, we will see all these remaining annotations. Next test case, just a description, right. A description if we give, it will show in the report. We must give the description so that it will show neatly. Alright, then step. What is the Allure dot step? Second test case, Allure dot step. Right, wherever we want, we can add simply Allure dot step. That's it. Right, so it will show in the report. Right, once the report is, where is that report? I have closed. Okay, right, this. Okay, I have closed the server. I think it's not. Okay, we'll see that. Right, Allure dot step. Then it will show the steps in the report. Okay, that I will show that. Then next one is, these are all optional, right, but if we add, right, if we add, we will get a more understanding report. It will generate a report in a more attractive way, right. We can add, this is the one future. Suppose this entire login test means we will have a multiple, not only single test, right, all related to login we will add. So here we can add epic as a, right, epic means high level details. Suppose we verify login, right, these are all verify login scenarios, maybe verify login high level. What is the future? Future is okay, login test, right, login test. On top of the class we can add a, what is the epic, and at the rate epic at the rate future. And then in the test case, about test case, right, we can description again we can provide, right, inside test we are providing. If we provide here, it will come, it will also come description at the rate description story, right. Right, we can add, suppose you are working with a Jira, right, we can add what is the story ID, right, story description, so that it will also come in the report, so that we can easily identify, okay, for this Jira we have added this test case, we can easily identify. Severity, Right, what is this test case severity? Right, here we can add severity level either critical, minor, right, critical, minor, normal, trivial, blocker, whatever. Right, what is the test case severity level? Right, for all test cases, while writing itself, we can give what is the story, description, severity. Right, simple steps. Right, we have to at the on top of the test case we can add. Right, then how to take the screenshot? Right, first we have to take the screenshot by using in Selenium. How to take screenshot? By using take screenshot, casting the driver to take screenshot of that. Get screenshot, we are getting bytes. Right, it will return byte array. Right, then in Allure it has provided one method add attachment to add the attachment screenshot name. Right, I am created one method take screenshot and passing the screenshot whatever name we will pass it will screenshot name and then new byte array input stream. New second argument is new byte array input stream. Pass the screenshot. We have taken in the bytes, right? Just pass it. Right, we can take see it will support right all types of either we can pass a file object. We can take in three ways screenshot, right? Bytes, file, base 64. Right, add attachment also it will support all. Right, right. Here I have taken a byte format. Then wherever I want, just call this take screenshot and the screenshot name. Right, screenshot name. That's it. Suppose right. Suppose if I want for this test case also I want a screenshot. Right. Suppose just I will give invalid user. Right, I can wherever I want just call the take screenshot. That's it. It will take the screenshot. Wherever step I want allure dot step. That's it. Right. Now test case is ready. Test case is ready. Right, I have executed. Let me delete old report. Right, delete. Okay, okay. Now there is no reports related to Allure. Now how to run? We have to run using right click run as Maven test. Right click run as Maven test. Just run using Maven. Right, through Maven only it will generate. Otherwise, right, it will not generate if you right click run as test it. Right, in the Maven we have given Surefire plugin. Right, Surefire plugin. What is the TestNG file we have given? That TestNG will execute. Right, just it is a login sample. It will open some website I have given. It will open and close. That's it. Okay, it is done. Just refresh. Right, see if you see observe here there is a Allure results. Right, it is generated. If you see these are all JSON files. Right, these are all JSON files. Allure results. Now how to see report? Now where is the report? Right, still report was not generated. Just these results are generated in the form of JSON. We have to convert by using these JSONs. We have to generate the report. For that only, first we have downloaded Allure zip file and we have added environment. Now, right now open, copy this path. Right click on property. Where is the project? Copy this. Right, open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Change to the directory. Okay, change. Okay, change it to that. Now here what we have to give to generate the report Allure ALLU or Allure serve serve Allure hyphen results. By using Allure results generate the report. We are saying here take the Allure results folder and generate the report. Just enter that command, press enter. Let's see, it will generate the report. Right, same report initially whatever I have shown, same report. Right, in the source, right, first overview, right, it will give how many test cases are there, what is the pass percentage. Right, next categories, we don't have any categories for now. Source, right, we can one suit only currently we have. Right, see on top we got the description, right, test description. See, we got it, right. This is the before test whatever we have written. Then body in the test case whatever steps I have added, allure dot step we have added, right, that is, and screenshot, right, screenshot name invalid username, right, screenshot. Then similarly second step, second test case, right, first and second test cases, say 1 and 2 are there, right, like this test cases will show graphs, right, what is the pass percentage, what is the block. You see, if you give annotation, right, see, by using that annotations it will automatically generate the severity, how many severity, blocker test case pass, critical, okay. Based on this also we can give sign off, right, all blockers are passing, all critical test cases are passing, all normal test cases, okay, normal, minor test case 1 or 2 fails we can ignore it, right, critical should pass. If you give that severity on top of the test case, this is the advantage of it here, right. What is the duration, how much time it executes, right, timeline, behavior, here also same report will show, here also same report, right. But if we give that epic those things, right, see, we have given verify login on top, right. What is the epic name we have, verify login, verify test feature, based on behaviors will generate based on this epic and future, right, epic and features, right, right, this is the report. Right, now one more is, see, if I want to share this report, suppose how to share, if server is up and running then only, right, we have given command allure server, this is running, still running, then only anyone able to see this is generated in your local machine, right. I cannot share this one, right, I cannot share this one. If you want to share, right, you want to generate some report based on this, right, right. Currently we don't have, right, any report here. I want to generate one report and to share to the my right, manager or team, right. There is a command, right, allure generate hyphen hyphen single file. We want to generate one HTML file by using allure results, by using allure results. We can stop this, right, control C, it will stop the, once we stop, right, it will not work, right, it will not show, right. Then just give that command allure generate hyphen hyphen single file allure results, right, press the enter, right, report generated successfully, right. Now server is not running, I have stopped already, just refresh it, right, allure report, there is a allure report, right, folder generate, right click, open with system editor, right, system editor, right. See, easily we can share this report, right, with offline also, right. This HTML file we have to share it, that's it. It is working fine as it is, right. All steps are showing clearly, right, everything, right. Like this we can generate single report, we can share to the team, right. Next one is we can also maintain history, we can also maintain history, right. If we want to maintain the history of the, right, allure reports, right, how to maintain history in the allure report, right. After first execution, suppose we have executed after first execution, right, just I will delete this report, okay, allure results are there still, first execution was done, okay. Now second execution, before running second one we have to take the history of the first one, history of the first one. How to generate a history of the first execution, right, by using the commands, okay. First we have executed, okay, by using allure serve allure results, right, that by using that command first is generated results, right? We have seen the report. Second execution, before doing second execution, what will happen if you do again execute? It will override previous one, it will generate latest one. So first we have to generate the history file of the first execution. How to generate history of first execution? Allure generate Allure results. Now what it will do? It will generate the history of first execution. History of the first execution, right? Just will right click, refresh. Let's see Allure report. There is a history folder, right? History. Apart from remaining also generated, but we want only history. Copy that history folder. Copy, Control C. Paste in the Allure results. Paste in the Allure results. Paste in the Allure results. Now execute second time. Right click, run as Maven test. Again execute second time. Right, what will happen? Allure results first it will not refresh. Allure results will not refresh. Right, it will keep all the first execution, second execution details, but we have to maintain the history of it. Then only in the report also we can see previous execution stat. Just it will show status whether pass or fail, not all the details. Whether previous execution, what happened to this test case. Right, we'll see. Once the execution is done, right, now second execution is done, right. See, there are multiple files. Now files are increased. JSON Allure results files are increased, right. We have a first execution history file, second execution JSON files. Now we have to start the serve Allure results, right. Generate the report. We are asking to generate the report, right. Right, it is generated. Now how to see history where it is maintaining? Let's see, one is trend, right? It is generating trend, right? If we don't have history, it will not show this. That is one thing. And suits, we can go to suits, login. If you click on the first test case, second test case, there is a history tab. There is a history tab. Let's see in the previous execution what happened. Previous execution also this test case was passed. Right, in retry also it will show. Right, in the previous regression this test case was passed. Now we'll stop execution. Now I want to execute third time. Again we have to generate the history again. We have to generate the history by using Allure results. Allure results will contain first execution history, second execution JSON files. By using this, we want to generate history. It will generate both first execution, second execution history. We have to generate previous executions history. We have to generate it. Again, we have to run the command Allure generate Allure results. Allure generate Allure results. Right. Suppose if we get this one, right. If we are getting this one, just add hyphen click. Right. At the end, just add hyphen click. Right. Now again it is generated a history. Right. History refresh. Right. Now what we have to do? Delete old history. Delete old history in the Allure results folder. Delete. Then copy again fresh. It will contain both executions history, first and second. Right. First and execution. Now what we will do? Again execute third time. We are executing this is third time. Right. Maven test execute. Execute it again. Execute it again, right, third time. That means it will show previous two executions status. Previous two executions status it should show in the report, right. This is the third execution, so history should maintain for previous two executions, right. Once it is done, okay, just close this. Okay, it is refresh it. Execution was okay, done. Refresh. Right, see JSON files are increasing. Right, it is not removing, it is maintaining. Then again what we have to do? right. Start the Allure serve command. Start the report. Open the report. Report should show previous to right now. See passed. Source. Go to source. Login. Open history. See previous to well, this is whatever here steps are seeing current execution details. History it is showing previous. Right, out of three executions done, three executions. This history is previous two executions. This is current execution results. Right, all are passed. Right, like this. Now again, if you want to execute, again generate the history of the previous executions. Delete old one, copy latest one. Right, copy latest one. Right, again do it the same thing we have to do. Like this, we can Allure report, we can maintain the history of previous executions. Right. Thanks for watching. If you like my way of content and presentation, just subscribe to the channel. Please rate, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Share if you more interested. Anyone, right? You want to share to your friends, you just share to your friends also. Right? If you require more details, just comment it out. Any suggestions, just comment. I will take it. Right. Thanks for watching. Bye.